Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So something a little bit different in today's video. Today I'm just going to show you how you can change your toilet seat, whether it be broken or discoloured. It's a quick and simple job, so let's get to it. So this is the toilet seat at the moment. You can see it has quite a lot of yellowing on it, discoloration. It kind of doesn't quite sit properly either. And over time, over about 6 or 7 years, you can just see around here, it started to yellow. And then if you look on the inside, again, on this inner part here, it's gone yellow, but the outer part has remained white, and down here it's gone yellow. So I did first think about maybe tea-cutting it or cleaning it or just trying to get that coloration off, but it's gone right into the plastic, and with a plastic toilet seat being so cheap anyway, I thought it was a better idea to just replace it. And you can see the hinges have also discoloured and could do with being replaced. Okay, so if you look underneath the toilet seat here, you'll see there is a bolt and a nut. In my case, the nut can be undone by hand. You might have a bolt that you might need a spanner for this. So I'm just going to start to undo this nut. In my case, it's all plastic. Yours might be metal, and you might need some WD-40 or some lubricant to get this off. Luckily, this one comes off nicely. And there's one on the other side too. So once both the nuts have been removed on either side, the lid should then just lift out like so. And you'll be left with these two holes ready to add the new toilet seat. So I have the new toilet seat here. This only cost me £9.99, and it's a plastic seat. You can also buy ones made of MDF and higher quality plastic ones. So when you buy a new toilet seat, you'll have the toilet seat itself and a little bag with the fixings. So we're going to take a look at those now. So your fixings might look slightly different to this, but basically you have a part that the toilet seat attaches to, and then this part here is like a big washer that attaches to the basin of the toilet, and then there's a bolt that goes through here with a Phillips head screw, and then there's a bit of a sliding mechanism so you can adjust it how you want it. And then at the bottom here there's this plastic thing, and as you tighten it, that expands to lock it into position. And these are just covers to hide all of this when it's done. Okay, so the first thing to do is to get these loosely into position, and then we can adjust them later on. So I'm just going to remove this bottom plastic part, and there's a little nut in there, and we'll add this underneath. So this can just go straight on top now through the hole. This can be adjusted. You can have it around this way, around the other way, and as you can see, you can adjust it to where you want it. So now I'm going to add this part to the bottom and just loosely attach it. So now these are both in position and just loosely tightened underneath, and that allows you to move these around, side to side, around, just depending on how your toilet is. So then, now I'm going to put these tops on, just temporarily, and I'm going to fit the toilet seat on and adjust it just to get it all central, and then I'm going to take it off again and tighten up these nuts. So the seat just lines up with the holes here and the parts that are jutting out. So at this point you can move this seat around, so all this part here will move. You can see the adjustment here, and that allows you to put it down and just get it all lined up with your toilet. I'm just doing that now. So once you're happy with the toilet seat position, you can just carefully lift it up and remove it. Mine has a button. So now we can just tighten up these nuts and secure everything in position. And now the seat can go back on. So that's the toilet seat now, all replaced. This one has a soft close feature. So that is about it for today's video. How to change a toilet seat, quick and easy. Takes about 10-15 minutes to do yourself at home with very basic tools. So if you found this video useful, please remember to leave me a like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.